You can also combine the line tool with a defined plane to keep your measurements constrained within that surface. Ideal for floors, walls, or sloped surfaces. For example, if you want to measure up a wall, first add the required plane, select the plane tool from the toolbar, click on the surface you want to measure, and add clicks for more precision. Then press Enter to place the plane. Next, switch to the line tool. First, click directly on the plane you just created. Make sure it is active, and you'll know it's active when it shows a greenish fill. Then, click once to start your line. You'll notice the cursor is now constrained to move within the plane or perpendicular to it. This is perfect for consistent surface-aligned measurements. Click again to place the next point, and you can add as many points as you like. When you're done, press Enter to finish the measurement.